In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete uploaded fonts here in Canva. Now, if we click onto this font, then come to the font section, we have the option to upload a font directly here within the canvas. But there's no way to actually delete the ones you've uploaded from your account doing it this way. So what we want to do is simply come over to the home page of Canva, and then we're going to come over here to the left-hand side where it says Brand. Now, if we click on there, we can then simply come to where it says fonts just here. And if we click on that, scroll down, we're going to see manage uploaded fonts. Now, if we click on there, we can then choose the one which we want to download by simply clicking the little bin icon. So now if I click there, it's going to ask me if I want to delete that permanently. I'm going to click that, and then now that has been deleted. So that's just how easy it is to delete uploaded fonts here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.